Hello and welcome to One Geek World, episode number 2, Google Friend Connect. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show because One Geek World starts now. Hello everybody and welcome back to One Geek World. I'm your host as always, Daniel Vining. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to a new service from Google called Friend Connect. With this service, you'll be able to log into my site and other sites around the internet using only your Gmail or Yahoo accounts. This is an awesome site and is very secure. I don't receive any of your login information, and the only things I do receive is the information that you choose to give me. That would be the name that you want to be gone by on my website, and the links that you choose to share with me, like to other Friend Connect sites or to links that maybe you're associated with. So let me show you a little bit about Friend Connect. Okay, so when you log into Google, make sure you logged into your Google account. Type in Friend Connect. Should be the first research result. And then you have the Google Friend Connect page. Now, like I was saying before, this service allows you to do several things for your site. As a web developer, it allows you to enrich your site, providing social features from a catalog of gadgets by Google and other open source developer communities. You don't need to know any programming. Basically, if you can load in some HTML code for a MySpace profile, then you can work with Friend Connect. It's that simple. It's just copy and paste of a few snippets of code. So once you're on the Friend Connect site, the first thing we're going to do, after you've made sure that you've logged into your Google account, is go to set up a new site. Here on the overview page, you'll see a brief overview of what you're going to do here on Friend Connect to get your site ready for this experience. You need 2 required files to be added to your web server in order for Friend Connect to work. Those 2 files are HTML files, and how I installed them was to load them via FTP like FileZilla to my Lunar Pages account. I put them in my public HTML folder, and then I moved on to the next segment. You enter your site name, and your home URL. Click Continue. Then you simply download the 2 files that you need to your computer. You might want to save them in case you lose them later. Then re-upload them to your site. Once you've done that, you click Test to finalize the setup. After you've done that, you'll be able to go to your gadgets page. The first gadget you're going to add is the members gadget. Now this gadget allows your site members to join your site, to sign in and out, to see other members, and to interact within the site. After you've done that, you can load in other social gadgets, such as a wall gadget. The wall gadget is similar to Facebook and MySpace in the sense that it allows a comment stream to be visible on every page of your website. Let me show you. Here on DanielVining.com, if you scroll down underneath the recent posts on the right-hand column, you'll see the members section. Currently, there's only 1 member listed, that's myself, so please join DanielVining.com and One Geek World. Here you will eventually see all the members that have joined One Geek World. Underneath that, you'll see the beginning of my comment wall. On every page of my website, these 2 elements will appear. Let me show you a site that has this already featured. Bwana.org, owned by and operated by Bwana McCall. Bwana is a podcaster, vidcaster, and general tech head. If you scroll down and hit the right side of his website, you'll also see a Friend Connect box with the join icon and all of the members of his site. Directly underneath that, you'll see his comment wall. Additionally, if you log on to a or if you enter a post on his website, you'll be able to interact through a comment system through Fred Connect on that as well. He has the rating system, which is just like any other commenting system, except you additionally get to be able to choose a rating for it on a star basis. Now, while I was doing research for this and becoming an early member of Friend Connect, another site, Friend Connectified at www.friendconnectified.com, contacted me via Twitter. Friend Connectified is a directory of Google Friend Connect enabled sites. Go onto their front page, click in the search box a site that you're trying to look for. And there you have it. One Geek World has been added to this directory. Now, only sites that have Google Friend Connect enabled on their website will be listed on this directory. Now, if you do not see a site that you want, and you know that they do use Google Friend Connect, then you can submit the site by clicking this link. On this page, you can either enter your own site or the site of your friends or other colleagues that you enjoy. Remember, Google Friend Connect is still in beta, so your suggestions are welcome. As time goes on, developers are going to be coming out with new and interesting gadgets. If you're a developer and you have an interesting gadget, log on to their website and use the developers tool to submit your idea. That about wraps it up for this episode of One Geek World. And as always, I'm going to leave you with a YouTube video that I found interesting and you might enjoy as well. This week's video comes from jeffisageek.net. His song, I Follow You, pretty well synopsizes what it's like to be part of a social network. So until next time here on One Geek World, so long and enjoy the video.
All the posts on my blog, you've seen them all, and the witty remark you made on my Facebook wall. Ooh, I follow you. All the tweets that you sent when I went asunder, how you got so upset when pounds went under. Ooh, I followed you. From the way that you helped when I needed a job, to the time you invited me to do a guest post on your blog. Ooh, I followed you. Oh, you sent me a link when I was in need, and you were right, you posted it months ago on Friend Feed. That's why I followed you. Oh, I'd give anything to have as many followers as you. Late at night when I can't sleep, I log right on and start to tweet, and all my friends are there to see me through. Oh, they say I'll follow you. So far away and it makes me sad, but your videos on YouTube and that's not too bad.